Limelight, get the time right. I've been thinking everything was not right. Time flies when it's your life, but just believe me that the days are staying bite-sized. Yeah, I'm on my way to 30 and nobody really seems to get me. They say, why aren't you famous? I said that I'm not dead yet. They said that's not a winner, but I don't think they get this. Yeah, so push me to my limit, I'll make it all work. I'm tired of being asked if I'll ever play the show. I've been working so hard to stay cold, so I can just pretend that this isn't the goal. You don't get a say in what I do, and the burnout doesn't concern you. I'll build a brick by